people, wonder shall never end. Things they happen of Obodo Naija. No be small something. As I cross this one, my people, go cash me. I was choctolize. No be small matter. Things really they happen. Oh, my people, this video that you guys is about to watch, no be small something. Make una see what our leaders they do to us. No be small matter. Make una see where they dumped PVC almost 1 million people voters card. This really they happen honestly. Why all these people? Why all these some of our politicians they behave like this? INEC must hold responsible. My people may not come be say I too talk for inside this video. Make una regade.
My name is Okuku, right? And I'm a media practitioner here in Anambra State. I work with Authority FM. Now, someone brought thousands of permanent voters card of people in the southeast. We have gone through at least 3% of all the names here. As you can see, what we have here, these are thousands of permanent voters card of people that a hunter brought here in Authority FM just a few minutes ago. And with the names that we have here, they're all coming from people who are from Navy North, the government area of Anambra State, and of course, the entire Southeast. You know, we have had this rumors of people who were trying to cut out the Southeast, their voting strength. Of course, there is large voter apathy in the Southeast, but then with this wickedness that we are seeing here, it's quite obvious. You know, we heard this rumor that, you know, they were discarding PVCs of those who are from the Southeast. We saw that in Lagos some months ago, and we never believed that was true. But seeing this now is a testament.
Radio has created a different...
Indeed, there were people who are hell-bent to cut out the voting strength of the Southeast. This is wickedness. This is debauchery. This is the height of it all. Thousands, these guys have looked for their PVCs. They have lost hope. They don't have PVCs anymore. How could someone do this? How can someone do this? My heart is broken right now. A few days to the general election of 2023, and this is what we are saying. Which way, Nigeria? Thank you.
Not be small thing, people of God. Now this is Authority FM in the premises. One hunter don't go pay plenty PVC when they do for side account meeting. Carry and come Authority FM premises. As it be so, all the plenty PVC when they for a year, where it pass, if it don't reach 1 million, no, belong to Navy North. The ones who don't check, now Navy North people now get this PVC. May for tell everybody when Sabi, your friend and friend when wishes, your compound people when no see their PVC. May they find and come Authority FM compound and a person see the people when bring a call, they can't come Authority FM premises. As it be like this now. These PVC they were compound. Now the people where pick and be this, they can't come jump and they say they pick and for milli. And all the ones who don't check, all of them and they will not. Umudim more of Umudim people Okwe logo. Now here they can't jump and more. In case if you don't find your PVC go say they say no see if you waka come waka come Authority FM, come begin check and if you carry check on shall you got plenty. Go fine. If you see your compound person own, we'll carry and send them. Now the people when bring a come be this. And now the bag when they take wrapper, it means say don't say. The wrapper for inside this bag we don't dirty like this. Put her inside the booter. Control. God, we say it's yourself.
I can't really
for side the bed now I can't really.
Eze what side?
Eze what you side.
The hunter.
Okay. Ebe Ijelu hunting okay. Alright, better people, my name is Maki the area mama, the one and the only na middle the report from Authority FM compound. I just the report and as just shown and this evening. Now they carry and come. So I better me share this video. Some people when be said they find their PVC election at this Saturday, see the PVC. A plenty will be small, like a plenty brackets say plenty. And we not all of them. And we not all the ones who don't check so far and we not. So if you never see your own or you go to INEC, you know see maybe for carry and come Authority FM and know whether you go see your own or your people own. Ona Joe. Thank you, thank you, boss. God bless you. Yeah.
My people, sure I don't watch the video. No be small something. Oh, how this country want to better? I no can understand. You know this thing, the news they come out. Many people they talk say they dumped PVC, that they throw am, that they see some inside gutter. Now, not that one. This one choked me. No be small thing. Oh. Few days to election now. Let me say tomorrow na election. See wetin they discover for inside bush. Things really they happen for this obodo Naija, my people. Now now one for live on my people. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Don't forget to share this video. Ciao everyone. Bye.